can only make computers or hats. Cuba can make 20 computers and 5 hats. Brazil can make 8 computers and 10 hats. So right now, Cuba has the absolute advantage in computers, while Brazil has the absolute advantage in hats. So they can make more. Alright, so let's move on to comparative advantage. Who would benefit more? So you're going to start by writing down your countries, Brazil and Cuba. You're going to make a table. You're going to put computers, abbreviate it, and hats. Brazil has 8 computers and 10 hats, while Cuba has 20 computers and 5 hats. So this is an output. You put the other numbers, so this one right here, over this one. So you're going to put 10 over 8. 10 divided by 8 is 5 over 4. So 1 computer equals 5/4 of a hat, and vice versa. 1 hat equals 4/5 of a computer. And over here, you're going to do the same thing down here. You're going to put this number right here over this one. So 5 divided by 20, that is 1. That is 1/4. And then vice versa over here. 1 hat equals 4 computers. So right off the bat, you can see that Brazil has the comparative advantage in hats, and Cuba has comparative advantage in computers, because these numbers right here are lower than these two right here that I am boxing. So it would make more sense for Brazil to produce hats than it would for Cuba, because Cuba could just trade for hats. So both countries would be okay with trading for half of a computer. Let's go back to the first slide. Okay, so now I'm going to erase all of these. If land, labor, and capital were all to drastically increase by Cuba by the same amount, by like a certain amount, all the same, Cuba's line would increase from where it was to somewhere over here. This looks like this. Now Brazil, they may go into a recession. They may get conquered by some other country. Their land, labor, and capital is going to decline and turn into that. Thank you for watching.